In the recent Fantastic Four comics, Johnny Storm, Human Torch, finds himself in a new, emotionally charged relationship with an alien named Angelica. This occurs after the Fantastic Four are transported into a different alien world following a failed attempt to penetrate a magical barrier around Latveria. They land into a world where the heroes meet with centipede-like alien beings, and there Johnny meets Angelica. She is depicted as a part of a species with insect-like traits, a significant shift in Johnny's usual humanoid partners. However, their connection is strong, and soon they find themselves begin to like each other, sharing intimate moments. Despite their different anatomies, they spend much more time around each other, and the alien likes Johnny's attention, and this relation gives Johnny a sense of fulfillment, something he hadn't felt in his previous relationships. He creates a small artificial moon for his precious alien, and she asks Johnny if she can kiss him. Johnny is surprised because of their different structures, but the alien is positive about them, and from that point, they accept each other. Days turned weeks, and they became closer and closer. They were falling in love, and it was easy. However, a twist arises when Reed Richards discovers that this alien world is actually an alternate version of their Earth in a different timeline. As 4.5 billion years ago, a giant Mars-sized planet Theia smashed into Earth. The impact was beyond apocalyptic, and the cataclysm changed Earth's size, its spin, tilt, orbit, and it became suitable for the living beings to grow. Theia created Earth and its moon, but in this timeline, Theia never hit Earth. Something prevented the impact, recreating the entire history of the world. So the Fantastic Four travel to the time and space, and they come with a solution to save both Earths, the humans and the aliens. The timeline should be separated, meaning Johnny and Angelica part ways permanently, and it breaks Johnny's heart, as every time his love life is doomed due to circumstances beyond his control. He bursts into rage, jumps on Thing to start a fight. Susan quickly holds them off under her shield, but Angelica comforts Johnny, saying that their love is going to save both worlds. So in the end, they promise they will never forget each other. The heroes finally return to their own world, leaving Johnny with the memories of Angelica. So which part you like the most? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.